Hello, welcome and thanks for stopping by. Are you by chance looking for a nice but tough low-budget G-SHOCK? What a coincidence. Because today we will review 3 low-end G-SHOCK that can be an option for those of you who are trying to get one. The 3 of them undoubtedly have a very tough and sturdy design. And lucky for you, it's also not that expensive. But the question is, which one should you choose? Let's find out in more detail. If you like the big and tough G-SHOCK, the GA-700SE is a clear winner with its 53.4mm bezel. Meanwhile, the GA-2000S is the most compact watch with the smallest bezel size, 48.7mm. You can see a significant difference in size between the GA-700SE model and the other 2 models. Meanwhile, the GA-900 and GA-2000S look quite balanced in the size of the bezel. And when compared to the year of release, the 3 are not that different. GA-700SE is the oldest model, while the GA-900 was just released in the middle of this year. But does that mean the GA-900 model has the advantage of using the latest technology? Not at all. On average, the GA-2000S model is the most superior for the application of G-SHOCK technology. Undoubtedly, among this 3 G-SHOCK, the GA-2000S is the most advanced model with the presence of several features such as carbon core guards, double LED lights, and also double back case. Thanks to the use of carbon core guards, the GA-2000S model managed to eliminate the use of button guards that have been the hallmark of the G-SHOCK and also cut the weight of the G-SHOCK to just 64 grams. Casio also added a resin back case on the outside of the metal cover. This dual back cover will certainly protect the back surface against impact. And the last thing is the absence of button guards on the GA-2000 model. The design looks so clean and neat. This is thanks to the use of a carbon core guard, which is believed to eliminate direct impact through the button section. In terms of strength and endurance, of course the GA-2000 is superior to the GA-700SE and GA-900 models, which still only adopt stainless steel back cover. But don't worry, because this regular back case model has proven to be very strong, withstand to impact and pressure in water. GA-2000 and GA-900 seem to have the same thing by using 4 stainless screws on the bezel. The difference is that the GA-2000 uses a round bezel design, while the GA-900 looks tougher with a 10-sided bezel design that resembles the shape of a nut. What about the GA-700SE model? Absolutely brilliant. The large bezel design makes the GA-700SE truly superior to the GA-900. But we love GA-900's complex design. Makes it look really eye-catching. One more thing that you might consider when choosing one of these 3 models is their respective thickness. Because this will be a differentiator for wearing comfort or which one will look cooler. GA-700 obviously looks really cool with a crazy body that has a thickness of up to 18.7mm. However, we make sure that the GA-2000, which has the thinnest body, will definitely feel the most comfortable to wear all day long. Even though it is the latest model, there are no updated features or technology brought by this GA-900. You could say this model only relies on its heavy-duty design. Meanwhile, the GA-700 model has clearly proven to captivate many people with its high sales, just relying on its tough and bulky design. And of course, Casio has released various new variants or colors such as the GA-700SE 1A2. And this is another significant difference. Double LED light. It is almost impossible to read on the GA-700SE and GA-900 LCD data, which only has 1 LED light. And now look at the GA-2000S model, which has adopted 2 LED lights, one for analog and one for digital. So which one is the best for you? Do you prefer the larger GA-700 or the more compact ones like the GA-900 and GA-2000? The 3 of them also share very similar basic features, so it all depends on what physical design you like. Alright, that's our 3 low-budget analog digital G-SHOCK models review. Hope you enjoy it. And thanks for stopping by.